Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to Mhiribidi House, where we talk about our construction we're currently working on our house, our dream house, and also we also like to share with others what's happening, things that we've learned along the way from this project, and what you can also take forward if you're ever thinking about embarking on a building project. So this channel is mainly to try and showcase what happens when someone is building, what can go well, what can go wrong, what to expect, so that you are not too disappointed should you encounter some challenges, because you will encounter challenges, guys, you know, that's the honest truth. So at least if you go in with your eyes wide open, being aware of challenges you're likely to face, I think the disappointment won't be too much. This is something I wish we knew before we started our project. You know that you can basically open a can of worms when you've reached a certain target, you know, or you know, a certain stage in the construction part of it, you know, that you can unravel some things that you may not have anticipated to happen. So hopefully our channel encourages you and shows you some of those challenges and some of those wins as well you're also likely to make along the way. And I mean, guys, don't get me wrong, you know, I'm not all about negativity. I like to be honest and transparent with you, and not just try to make it all seem glamorous. You know, when you see a house reach a certain stage, you know, it might have gone well for some, but sometimes there are challenges to be heard along the way. So I'm coming to you. So before we go anywhere, I would like to thank you, my subscribers, for your support. Really, I think we're at 800 subscribers now, only 200 more to go, guys. It will be amazing if we can go above the 1000 mark. What's interesting with this channel is we've actually gone over 5,000 watch hours, but we're still behind on the subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, I'm now talking to you. If you've not subscribed, consider subscribing. Like I always say, subscribing is free. You are helping to grow my channel, to grow Mhiribidi House channel, so that we also feel motivated to be sharing these videos with you, because guys, they are, you know, you're showcasing your life. And I know some of you might say, oh, who asked you to come and do that? No, it was my choice to do that. But you are also, I'm sure most of you are also learning from us with what we're doing. So in so doing, these things are time consuming, when you do take the videos and then the editing part and even what I'm doing now, you know, it is time consuming. So when you subscribe and when you support, when you like, when you share the video, you're simply giving me the boost I need to keep going. And also, you know, the more videos I'll be doing and the more you're subscribing and liking as well, you're also encouraging the YouTube algorithm to keep pushing my videos out there. So this is me asking, if you've not subscribed, do it right now, because the chances of you forgetting while you are enjoying watching the video are very likely. So do it now while I'm saying this. Click the subscribe button below, and like the video, share the videos, and I look forward to seeing more of you coming onto this channel. But to those of you who keep coming back and supporting me, watching the videos, I really appreciate you guys so much. I mean, I think if it wasn't for you, I would probably have given up, because there are times when I've thought, oh, why am I even doing this? You know, there are times where I've actually asked myself, why am I even bothering? But because of you guys, sometimes when I kind of go off grid, some of you come to my inbox and are asking, you know, what's happening with the house? You know, when are you going to upload the next video? So then, yeah, that just brings me back, because I know there are some of you waiting to see, the outcome of this, build that we're working on. So without wasting much of your time, so today I just wanted to talk to you about the challenges, guys. I can't believe I'm coming to you talking to you about plumbing again. Oh, plumbing really cost us a lot of money, I should say. I think we actually have used 3 plumbers for our project. I've told you, if you were following from my previous videos, I've told you about the first plumber who laid out the pipework wrong, and that affected how the layout of some of our rooms in the, in the outlook of those rooms, because of that error that was made at the initial stages. The second plumber, it was all leaks all over the place, leaks, and I'm sure you've seen some of the videos as well where you've seen like a swimming pool of water in one of the rooms. There were constant leaks in the walls and everything, so we had to strip everything back, literally pull out every pipework that we laid during the second stage. We had to take everything out, and the plumber that we found, he was like, I'm not working with these types of pipes that you have, you've got to buy specific types of pipes. And guys, I kid you not, these pipes were not cheap. They were very expensive. And I would look at my husband, like each time, like he would come to us and he'll be like, oh, in Shona, you'll be like, oh, Pazoita challenge, like there's been a challenge. And we're like, we would look at each other and be like, what challenge again? So as the more he kept on, reviewing where we'd seen obvious leaks, we then decided, you know what, it makes sense to just strip everything to base, strip everything to nothing, back to nothing, and start again. So we had to start our plumbing again, guys. I think I need to take a pause on this one. We started the plumbing again. So imagine buying pipework again, where you thought, oh, we've achieved this stage, now we are going to the third stage of putting in, bathtubs, showers, and you name it. We had to start again. So that was a step back, but I think we made the right decision this time round, because with the second plumber, if you try to open the taps, the flow of the water was ridiculous, like trickles, literally trickling, and the hot water wasn't hot when it should have been hot, because we connected the geysers as well. And I don't know, I don't know how these plumbers are allowed to register with the local council, and yet they don't seem to know what they are doing. And actually, I'm actually convinced that some of these plumbers were probably experimenting on our project. Instead of saying, maybe I haven't worked on a second story building before, because the work that we saw that they had done was on bungalow type of houses, and instead of maybe owning up and saying, oh, I've never worked on a multi-story building before, on a 2-story building, I should say, I don't think so. I think they probably were trying to raise their profile by working on our project, and then they could then take the credit if it worked out okay, that, oh, we worked on Mhiribidi House, and we've got experience of working on a multi-story, sorry, I keep saying multi-story building. I'm used to talking about multi-story buildings, in a 2-story building. So so basically that's what I personally think that was the issue there. So we had to strip back everything again, and we started. But what I liked about this plumber, he would not beat about the bush. He would just say, no, this is crap, no, this is not right. Like in Shona, obviously, this is not right, you need to get new pipes. And also we started that, we stripped everything back. So even what actually showed us that his work was really good, the flow of the water, oh my goodness, the power, before we even added a booster pump, the power of the water was amazing. The flow of it, I'm sure when you see in my, either in this video or the next video to come, you will see the flow of the water was really good, very powerful. Even if you wanted to use a hose pipe, you had so much power from it. We could not believe that such a thing does exist, because I mean, what we've seen normally, like even when we see like when we've gone to other people's homes, you know, the flow is not as powerful of the water, but this one, this is, I think we found the right plumber. I know we found the right plumber, because as I'm talking to you, he finished his work. We're happy with it. The flow of the water is amazing. The geyser water is very super hot. You can actually scorch yourself, you know, that's how hot it is. And he's the one who even fixed the, you remember when I spoke about the geyser, when they were like leaning, you know, in another video, when they were leaning, tipping over from they were done by the second plumber. He's the one who fixed it. So so it was money worth spent. Although it was a step backward, it was money well spent. So at least now I can officially say the plumbing work, the pipes, that, you know, they are all in, they are functional. And we just left, I think, with connecting some areas, putting bathtubs, sinks, and, you know, all of those things. That's what we are left with doing. So I'm going to share with you where we're at, some of the things that we've covered. I'll share with you in this video. And you know, we're still working on the windows, you know, still trying to finalize that. So I will share with you what I have so far, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like and subscribing. So hope to see you in the next video, guys.
Actually swap them. This should be the hot water. Barely any flow coming through here. I'm aware the pump is off right now.
Pipes have been loaded in the car. Hello, this is Stephen's former bedroom, former room. The plumbing work has been done, but they had to change everything that was here. All the pipes that were here, they had to change and put new pipes because they were leaking. They tried soldering, but it didn't work. So they had to change everything and put new pipes. So all these pipes you are seeing, they are all new. pipes. So this is the pipework that they've done. The toilet seat will be here, the basin here. What's in the corner there? Is it? Oh, maybe the tub. Okay, the tub is there. Then the shower is right here. So that is what has been done in. This is first bedroom on the neighbor's wing. They did the shower. Yeah, it's high enough now. I'm sure by moving for you, it's quite high. What you really wanted. So yeah, the shower is in the middle now, and the head is in place. The pipe works that they were doing in the what do you call it, up there, they are done. So I'm just going to record the other room. That's where you can actually see properly how they are running. I'm not sure which other one, but I guess it's that pipe. No pipe. Yeah, that's the pipe that was done yesterday. So you see that brownish thing up there. Yeah, there it is. That's the pipework that was done yesterday. And let me zoom out. The shower is also in place. And this the second bedroom, the middle bedroom, neighbor's wing. The shower is in place, and they've elevated it. It's in the middle, and yeah, that's how the shower is looking now. So this is second bedroom. So pipework in the third bedroom, neighbor's wing, it's complete. Some of the pipes are running up there. Those ones. Okay, and the shower. Oh, the shower they're still extending. It's not yet done. It's going up there. It's not done yet. So they're going to be doing the shower now. This is the last room that they'll be doing. Then tomorrow maybe they start with the other work outside. Yeah, so that's the update for today. That's all I have for you.
Saka which means muri kutofana kufunda kwese kupaka
ndochiona manje ona mabasa
inzoi sando zviri ngoita tikavhura chipambu kwa chimwe
ukangovhura pambu chete yotobuda sei
itorashika nevanhu
kana usina kuvhura pambu inenge ichibuda bicha
ya zama wanje saka chichofana kubatanidza ipapo
panofana kubatanidzwa nini ne-VSP socket. But now zviri apa kuti tigone kupa hwina pane yakuru ine zvinhu zvandikuona hatisaenda pambu iona paipi already
iroleka
inondo supply kuti site
handizivi manje kuti inosupply
So far, this is one of the pipes that they put down. This is how it looks. That one is gonna go up. So we'll be going up with these pipes. Also the joint is here. So this is where they've said they want to finish today. Oh, everywhere. Okay. So this side, is where they've built this. I don't remember the name. I was told earlier, but I no longer remember what name he said this is. So it's like starting all over again, because there's going to be rubble. It's just a lot of things. So here is really the entrance, right, just below the gutter. So they've cut that gutter. They're going to join. This is the edge that they took off. So it's going to join. They're going to join that thing, that gutter back when they find the height they need. So they'll join it back. And I'm sure it's going to happen with that one too. They're just going to join again once they are done. So this is what is being done on the plumbing side. So our shopping is ongoing. They're discussing some of the things that they need to get. Asa yeso asiri iyo. Akotewa asiri iyo. Oh, I see. Yeah, so it's good that you check as he's doing it, setting at the wrong things.
Just a slight price.
Slight change, increasing or decreasing? I hope it's decreasing. Jeez. Sure. What's the difference?
The difference is that union no maintenance. Then it pipe. Then maintenance is really important.
Oh, I see. So here I was asking what happens when the builder wants to fix the plastering. So they say they can remove those pipes, they're not taking money. For now they're just taking out their pipe. So if the builder wants to change to plaster that part, they will remove those things and we can plaster. So it's not permanent yet. And here they've they've done this. Okay, this has been done. It's raining. So about this galley trap, he's saying he wants the size to be like this small. He doesn't have to go up there because we don't have any tips that are here. So I don't know what you think about that. Maybe you can advise. Then, and but we need confirmation from them. We need confirmation because we may say I may say go ahead and yet they want it higher. So let's just get confirmation. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Oh, most organizing with course from Soro. Okay.
Don't see the need.
Alright, no problem. So that's his suggestion. Yeah, calibrate. So you let me know what you think. I'm saying even if it does it now, you can always raise it. So you let me know what you think. So they have laid this pipe. They dug a hole, but they said they didn't do that. They started here. So there's a hole that starts from here, a trench actually, that starts from here going up up until the end of the house, somewhere close to that corner there. So this is how deep it is on the edge of the Jura wall. That's how deep it is. So I'm not sure, he was saying he wants to lift this pipe inside or connect it somewhere where he is right now, up there. And we spoke about this, the water that's going to the Jojo tank. He was talking about something to do with water returning into the tank after it will have left, something like that. So he said he's going to fix that. And he spoke about the, what's that, where is it? On the meter, okay. He said they used a copper pipe there. They were supposed to use a galvanized pipe. So he's also going to attend to that, because copper pipes tend to rust over time. So at least if it's a galvanized pipe, it won't rust. So I think he was referring to this one that's here. So I'm not sure. The joint looks like it's a galvanized from here, but going up it's a copper from this part going down, but up here it's galvanized. So he said he's gonna address that too. Then let's go. We're going up. Unfortunately, there's Stevens what you call it, dry millet here. So I can't go that side. Couldn't see me as well. But here I think I can walk. Okay. Yeah, so this is the pipe. That's the pipe. There it goes. Phew. Found it here. This is the pipe. And that's the trench. That's how deep it is. Okay. So now it's connecting. Somewhere is there. Something that goes the other side. So pipe yenyu irikuenda uku, is it smaller from this one? Your pipe ndikuona ima connector a small thing couple. So I'm just asking Kuti, is it a smaller pipe that goes that side?
No.
See. Oh, there's a tape there. Oh, I see. All right. Okay. I see. All right. Oh, it's the big one. Do you know that? All right. I see. Also, the tape is going to be here. Where there is that small connection here. Okay. Look at the video. That's why I was asking. I'll show you. So here is the T. It's right here. Then it's gonna go. They've got the trench as well. That's going this side. So these guys are now almost close to the corner that side. Digging the. I think it's deep enough. So they are now that side. That's where they are. Back to this side. This is what was done yesterday. Ndikuona mvura iri kubva iri ipi yacho there. Okay, so iyoyo yava addressed neissue zvamakuita izvi. So we're no longer using that one, but I just for family paper once you are done with your pipe. Okay, no problem. So this side we are here. The builder is now floating this side. So I actually have to hold. Okay. This is what he's working on. So they're going to plaster the edges as well. And some sorry. So this is the size. I might have you want it to look like that's the exact size.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the size of the plastering. Okay, so the plastering is not yet done. So okay, if I may ask, your pipes, they're going to come down, right? Won't they be too high? Like apana mvura inozorasikira outside? No.
No, it's process.
Okay.
Because we have the tape there.
Okay, so there's no tape, so it's just pipes, so they'll be fine like that.
Taking water, it's taking the
Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, so he's saying there's no problem here. As long as you guys are happy with the size, that's the size he's suggesting that we do. So you let me know. So it's only plastering that's left here. Then here, as we go, these edges is going to plaster into a corner two. I'm sure you now both know what a corner two is. So on my side, I think the work looks neat. It's done nicely. I have no complaints. So this is the one Chipanzi Shesha. Okay. So here there's also going to be plastering of this one. Okay, and accessing it is not, we're not going to have problems at all.
We'll simply open that cover.
Or this cover in.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So we won't have problems opening this. We'll just open this cover for what you call it?
Rodding the train.
Okay, yeah.
If there is any problem.
Okay. So with our what you call it? With our gutter, how is it going to look? Where is it going to face now?
It is going to face this direction.
Okay.
That means it will
So
be
it will drop,
the water.
dropping the water out this side. Okay, no problem. All right, I'm sure you've heard that, guys. No, but our parking will never do it. We still have space. We still have space here. Saka parking for this side, I don't think so. Yeah. Anyway, I don't think they ever thought of parking this side. I don't know. Maybe Pasat Baba need that thing. My fear for this part, covered. I'm not worried anymore. This looks neater than what was there. I think I'm liking how it's looking and the way it was. This looks so much better. I don't know what you guys think, but on my part, yeah, and their work here, like that thing, it's really neat the way they did this this box thing. I don't remember the name, like I said yesterday, but I think I like what I'm seeing. There's progress. These guys, they mean business, and remember, they are not supervised, they just do their work. So I'm happy and go with the progress. I don't know what you guys think, but on my side, I'm actually happy with the progress. I've realized that the tap is facing this direction, of which I personally was hoping it would face the other direction. I don't know what you guys think, but I thought it was going to be facing this other side, not the front, not the gate. So I don't know, let me know. Then the windows for the study room, I said the doors for the study room, the family room are in place. These two, it's just the middle frames that are left. They're still busy with this thing. They are plastering it now. So I haven't greeted anyone yet. I just started recording. I see they they've closed here. I think the piping has been done. They've already put their pipes down, and the second tap is down there and it's facing the right direction. So let me here, they're still busy here, they're not yet done, they're still busy plastering. So we'll see once they finish how it's gonna look. So they're digging a trench again. This is where they say the T-junction is going to be for that tape. The property is gonna go that side. And here we go. We've got a frame now for the door, the first one, the inside one. Remember, with the actual door, the first time when I recorded it was just the frame. Now there is the actual door. Yeah. And now, this is where we need to make a decision. This is that guy's work. This is what we wanted to see on the plastering. But, so look at this. So let me know what you think. Update my phone. We're going to have this pipe, this galvanized pipe outside here. They're going to be running where it is now, going up there. The plumber said he cannot put them inside because for maintenance sake, they just need to access them. They need to access them easily. So that's the reason why they're going to put these pipes outside. So we've got this one. This is one of the pipes. It's actually a lot of them. All the pipes that are feeding into the main house are all galvanized pipes. And it's one. This is one. Let's go. This one here, they haven't installed it yet. There's going to be another one here, another galvanized pipe here. That's the second one. Then we'll have a third one installed here. So we'll get I'm talking about the galvanized, right? Yeah. Then the fourth one will be here to join that pipe. here. There'll be the 4th one here. A 5th one here to come here. Then the 6th one is going to be tine go for nice tinangira abo pipe aba panopandit papi do e. Alright, so it's going to be here. So there are 6 of them that are going to be installed. This is the continuation of the trenching. So that trenching is gonna go up there. We stand already that side. Then it goes up to the corner so that they can install our garden tape outside. So the other one is going to be this side. The other garden tape. Should be there in the corner there, close to your guava tree. Then the other one is already been installed. I'm sure on the other video I did show. That's the one there. Then the other one is on the other side of the house. Ai, ribaseiro. So we now have 2 pipes going up the tank. This looks much neater because it's only 2 pipes that are running. We used to have 1 pipe that was coming in through the tank stand here, if you see that one, and it's no longer there. The pipe is now going to run through here. It's going to be coming from where you digging now, coming to this side, go up to these pipes that are here are going to be encased so they are not exposed. So that's our booster. I mean, someone is open water somewhere, so that's why it's making that sound. So it will cut as soon as there's no more pressure. I don't understand much about the booster, but it will stop making that sound once it is built enough pressure, or I don't know. But anyway, those who understand will understand Baba Medicine.
So yeah, see, it's gone quiet. So all the other pipes that you're seeing on the ground, they're going to be taken away, and we'll definitely do another video showing you once everything is done. But for now, this is what we have. So this side, they are now pouring water on the tube, as you can see. Okay, they are done with the top part. Oh, was that the old pipe? You get old pipe here. All right. Oh, it was also a blue one.